Did you know that nearly 1 billion people use Facebook Marketplace each month? Imagine the sales potential waiting for you. That's a massive audience, and the best part, it's right at your fingertips. In this video, you'll learn how to maximize your sales on Facebook Marketplace with a step-by-step guide designed to boost your profits. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategy, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Many sellers struggle to stand out in the crowded Facebook Marketplace. With so many products and sellers, it's easy to get lost in the noise. You might have a great product, but if no one sees it, you're going to have poor sales. Lack of visibility can be frustrating, and it often leads to missed opportunities. So how do you rise above the competition? That's what we're going to tackle today. First up, let's discuss essential strategies. One of the most effective ways to boost your visibility is by optimizing your listings. This means using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions so that buyers can easily find your products. Next, let's talk about images. High-quality images are crucial. They grab attention and make your listing look professional. Buyers want to see exactly what they're getting, so invest some time in taking clear and appealing photos. And don't forget about crafting compelling descriptions. Tell a story about your product, make it relatable and exciting to potential buyers. These small tweaks can make a huge difference in attracting interest. The key insight to take away is that small changes in your approach can lead to significant increases in your sales. For example, I once knew a seller who only had a few items listed. They decided to revamp their photos and descriptions, and within days, they saw a noticeable spike in inquiries and sales. Let's explore a few more real-life examples. Another seller focused on creating bundles of related items, which not only increased their average sale value but also appealed to buyers looking for convenience. These are just a couple of ways that a little effort can lead to big results. To summarize, by implementing these strategies, you can enhance your presence on Facebook Marketplace and increase your profitability. Remember to focus on optimizing your listings, using high-quality images, and crafting engaging descriptions. The marketplace is competitive, but with the right approach, you can stand out. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and share your own experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's worked for you and any challenges you've faced. Let's keep the conversation going.